Well, go on guys, welcome back to the channel. Today we're gonna go ahead and make a video of this Nissan Rogue. So if your car look like this, doesn't matter what year it is, it's gonna be the same procedure. And what we're gonna change today is gonna be this glass right here, the passenger glass. So it's gonna be the same thing for the driver's side. So the two front glass will be the same thing. I'm not sure about the back, but it shouldn't be far off in the back. So with that said, let's get started. So we're gonna open this. So once we open that, now we're gonna get a flathead screwdriver and we're gonna pry it through here, right here. So that's what we're gonna follow around. Alright, so we're gonna go between here. Let me just bring it so you guys can see. Right there, between there. And we're gonna follow along the gap. So just take your time. No need to rush. So with that off, so we're gonna go ahead and take the rest off too. So these are 10mm, or it can be Philip. But and then after that, you want to follow these right here. Go to these holes, or you can pry it from underneath here too. So I don't know if you can see in here, I have some clips. You can use and pull out just like that. So these are the clips. As you see, I went through here, but the other one come off. But as you can see right here, the next step we're going to do is remove this right here. Once that come off, so we need to squeeze this right here and unplug it. You just want to hold this and just pull back on it just like that. So once you do that, release all the clip, then you can take it off. So actually it's hooked, so it's kind of hooked over like this. So you have a hook like this. So once you unhook it like that, you can take it out. Alright, so we're gonna get back this now and you just gotta peel this part off. Alright, so since we peel this off, alright, so see now we're using this to go to move the window up and down. We gotta make this right here. Alright, right this up. Alright, right this up too. Alright, so let's go right here. Now it's time to take out the window. Pull it up a little bit, pull the back up, and then take it out the other side. So this is the glass right here. So guys, what we're going to do is put back the window same way. Now it's time to put these back in and tighten them up. Alright guys, so everything is back together. We're gonna go ahead and roll the window up. Make sure the window goes up and down. So once the window go up and down, that's it. So let's unplug this back again and try it again. And put back the door facing. What you want to do is make sure you see this part right here. You hook it in that right there. Alright, so you want to find out the line, find out the line up the holes with the clips, and you can use a hand, but I know my subscribers always complaining, so I'll get a rubber mallet just to tap it in. So you want to hook this part first and then just tap it down. That's it. I didn't knock it hard, so you can use your hand if you want. It cause your joint to hurt later on in life when you get old, so you might not want to do that. So once that done, alright guys, so you can see, so the short screws goes here, and the longer screws, one go right here and the other one go over here. So that's it. So the next thing we're gonna do is I forget all this. Oh, there we go. I forget. Oh, that's it. I'm laughing at myself because after I already put this, I docked this in, I just set it, and then I go like this. But whichever you have, you use.